Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another session in the Moldex series webinar series. The topic for today is integrated simulation approach for prediction of anisotropic thermal conductivity. Today, we have a guest speaker. It's one of our very close partners and somebody we've worked with very closely over several projects over the last several years now. Dustin D'Souza from Extreme Engineering is here to share a few case studies and explain what this is all about.
As Shrikar mentioned, my name is Dustin D'Souza. I'm with Extreme Engineering. I've been with this company for right around 7 to 8 years now, and we are a material modeling company. I'm a senior application engineer here, and I'm local to the area. I work out of Ann Arbor, Michigan, primarily in the automotive industry. Today, I'm going to be talking primarily about simulating anisotropic thermal conductivities due to flake orientation. This was work that was done with the help of Moldex 3D. They did the process simulation and transferred that information over to us. When it comes to the agenda, I'm going to start off with a brief introduction into our company, what we do, the kinds of materials that we help you model, primarily composite materials. And I'll show you a quick case study as to what we're able to do with our software and how we can help you more accurately model your various kinds of composite materials. Then I'm going to talk a lot about the main topic of this presentation, of this webinar, which is thermal conductivity. How we help you more accurately capture thermal conductivity because the flake orientations lead to an anisotropy at that level. And we're going to look at two different kinds of geometries. One is just a basic plaque, and the second one is a more complex part, and we're going to see how each one of these different geometries are influenced by this anisotropy and how they vary to just a basic black metal kind of isotropic conductivity assumption. And then a quick conclusion just to wrap up our thoughts and take any questions at that point. An introduction to our company. As I mentioned, we're Extreme Engineering. We are primarily material experts and a material modeling company. We were founded in about 2003 in Belgium, in Europe. And we have our Digimat software, digital material.